Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video we're going to do a screw extraction, and this is using a kit that a lot of people probably haven't seen or are familiar with. And this, my friends, is a screw extractor kit right here. So what you got to do is you got to find the die that'll fit over top of the broken fastener, providing that it didn't snap off flush. So there's a wide end that'll fit over top of your fastener, and then there's that end where the drill bit will go. In my case, fits over just like that, and it says drill 3/16. Comes complete with the drill bits. By looking at that, hopefully you can see where this is going. That ensures that you drill through it perfectly. Because we all know what happens when you take a drill bit and you try to drill blindly through there. It just does not work well at all. You go down the rabbit hole and you end up drilling over to the side. It makes it practically useless. So I take my piece. Fits in there. Take this. I just want to show you while I'm getting started how it's drilling right through the center there. Once you get started, you can just freehand it then if you wish. This is the moment we're going to see where it's going to come out. Going to take our extractor right here. Only fits in one way. It's going to take this. Tap it in. I'm going to stick my little piece on there. So there's the piece I extracted. Just running it through with a tap to make sure everything's good. So there you have it, the bolt's been extracted, new one put in. Does fit kind of loose though, the threads got damaged when I extracted it, so I'm going to get a helicoil kit and fix that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In my opinion, this is one of the best broken bolt extractor kits that you're going to be able to get. I have used many different styles from Snap-on, Mac, Matco, and this kit is by far my favorite kit to use to extract broken bolts. Leave your comments below what you think.